Hi guys, this is Parag. We are discussing in last session the input function. How to take input. We have discussed the basics of the input in the first part. Then second part we have discussed the small program with the multiple input lines. And now in this we are going to see how we can take the multiple input into input function. Okay. For that we will need to create two variables. See here, we have created here two variables a comma b. Inside these two variables we are taking multiple input. As we know, what is the basic syntax of input? Suppose we have to create any string x1 is equal to input. After entering this it will take input. So suppose I give the Parag, okay, and enter. So this x1 is assigned with this input Parag. And what will be the type of this input? The type of this input will be type of this input is see here str. Okay, suppose again I run this cell x1. So we will give the input 100, enter. What will be the type now for this 100? Tell me. Okay, as we know, as per the definition, the input function always returns string. Though we have given here 100, it will return us the output as a string. Let me run this cell. See string. Okay. So let's start the giving, how to give the multiple input. So we have created here small 2-3 lines of program. A comma b is equal to int of x for, see this int of x for x in input, enter two number. Okay, and while entering we have to give the space between the two numbers. Then dot split function we have used, okay, to split that number, which is we have given the multiple inputs, and this list is completed. Okay, so let's see the note I have given here. In split function uses place as separator by default. Okay, so what these things are you will come to know when we will run this cell. Okay, and in print statement we have given print a star b, means we have given here the multiplication. See, okay, this is, we will add some, the product is giving us the multiplication. Okay, we will add some triple colons. Okay, now see, guys, when you are doing this practice, that time you should add some words in here. See this string, or reduce some words into string, so you will come to understand how this part is working. Okay, after the comma you can give another variables whatever you want. Okay, even we can add another string here also. See in this part and give comma. Suppose abcd I will write here abcd. Okay, we define this. Okay, give comma, and then we give variables. Okay, in this way we can do many changes. For now I will scratch this. We will concentrate on our main program. So after printing we will get here output like this. See, enter two numbers with space 10, we have given space and then 200, and then product is 2000. Okay, so let's see, depend on our numbers the product will come. Now I will run this cell. See, enter two numbers with space. Okay, so 5 space 4. In this way we can give two inputs at a time. Enter. So what we got here, product is giving us the multiplication. Multiplication is 5 for the 20, right? See, 20. Again I will run this program. See, 50 space 100. It returned us the 5000. Okay, in this way this multiple input works. Again we will move some next level. In next program we will see, write a program to read three float numbers from the keyboard with separator and print their sum. Okay, understood. Write the program to read three float numbers. Float numbers we are providing here now from the keyboard. We are giving their separator now. Okay, in previous program we have given the separator as space. Okay, now we are using the comma and print their sum. Okay, same problem, only we have changed the variables. Now we have created the three variables. They are we have took now into float form. Okay, in previous program we have used the int form. Okay, we have given the list, see, square brackets outside. Okay, inside list we have provided float of x. Okay, what x? For x in input. Okay, this is the for loop we have used. In next session we are going to see how these for loop are working, but now you just see how these lines of code are working. Okay, and you should run these lines in your system. So when we will discuss the for loops etc, you will understood. Okay, line by line how the for loop is working. For now only keep in mind, for x in input whatever we are going to give in this next line. Okay, and we have used the function dot split. Okay, and we have mentioned here, concentrate here into split functions, parenthesis, mention the comma. Okay, this comma in the previous program, see here we have not used any separator mentioned here, so by default it took the spaces. Now here we are mentioning the comma, so while entering the program we will need to give comma into the inputs, these three inputs. Okay, and this print statement, the sum a plus b plus c. See here, a plus b plus c. Okay, now I am running this cell. See, enter the input. We are adding the strings right here. Suppose first string is sorry, not adding the strings, we are adding here numbers, and the numbers are float numbers. Okay, because we are giving the float numbers here 100.50. Okay, because we know in the billing we have seen, when we go to the billing counter, there the different values of the products are like 50.5 or means 50 rupees 55 paisa etc. The float values are there many times in the values of the products, so we have created this float typecasting. Okay, then we have to give comma as per our rule. Then we will give the 50.70, then again comma, and we will give 20.30. Okay, enter. So we got the sum here, 171.5. Okay guys, I hope you understood this program, how it is working. See, I will write this line of program for you again. See, if you guys have got confusion, see this line. In this cell we will discuss. See, what is this A, B, C, this variable we created. Okay, we have given the square bracket like this. Inside that, what we will, how it this program will start, you know. So it will take the input. First of all, it will take the input. See, input like this. Then inside input, it will take our inputs, and we will give the split function. Okay, and comma separator like this. When I will run this cell, see, 10.5 comma 2.5 comma 3.5. Okay, oh, we got the value error. Why this error we got? Okay, okay, see, and float of x we have to give, oh sorry, float of x, see, 10.1.2 plus, sorry, run this, 1.2 comma 2.2 comma 3.2. See, in this way this line works. Okay, we got here the, see, A as 1.2. Okay, now B, see here, as 2.2. Okay, now C as 3.2. Okay, so we have created here the list. Then we split this list with the split function. Okay, separate the list with commas. Okay, while entering, and typecast into float, right? Okay, so thank you, and keep practicing these programs, as these are the very basic levels of program. So you will get the good understanding in the future when we will jump into the some next level of the programs. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye bye. Keep learning. Have a nice day.